Hold a posture for 5 seconds. Just 5. That is all you need for your body to trigger a transformation that Western scientists took decades to figure out. We've been lied to. We were told that to be strong, you need to move frantically, drip with sweat, and tear your muscles apart. We were sold the idea that the gym is the only temple for the body. Lift heavy things, make painful faces in the mirror, and wait for the muscle to grow out of sheer exhaustion. But the Yi Jin Jing does the exact opposite. And when you see what happens to your tendons when you learn how not to move, I promise you will never train the same way again. Today, we are decoding the Muscle and Tendon Change Classic under a microscope. Let's put the mysticism aside for a moment and look at what is actually happening inside your biology. Because what the Shaolin monks discovered 1,500 years ago wasn't magic. It was a brilliant biological shortcut. The secret isn't in the constant pumping, but in electric stillness. Picture your muscles like an old, dry kitchen sponge. When you do normal exercise, weights, running, CrossFit, it's like squeezing and releasing that sponge rapidly under a faucet. Sure, it gets wet. It gets a superficial clean. But when you practice Yi Jin Jing and hold that pose in isometric tension, you are wringing that sponge out with all your might and keeping it there, fully compressed, for several seconds. In that moment of static tension, you are doing something radical. You are literally squeezing the old, toxic, stagnant blood out of the deepest tissues, those dark corners that normal pumping doesn't even reach. And here comes the magic. The exact instant you relax the posture, a physical vacuum effect occurs. Boom! Fresh, oxygen-rich blood rushes in at turbo speed to scrub every corner of your cells. You aren't just moving fluids, you are giving your internal engine a complete oil change. But the story doesn't end there. Until 2007, medical science almost completely ignored a vital part of your anatomy, the fascia. It's that thin, shiny white film you see on a chicken breast before cooking it. Well, you have it too. It's like an internal wetsuit that wraps around all your muscles, organs, and bones, connecting everything into a single, uninterrupted web. Conventional weightlifting often ignores this web, or worse, hardens it, dries it out, and makes it brittle. The Yi Jin Jing, with its spiral stretches and held postures, acts like a deep moisturizer for that fascia. It stretches it, unglues it, and makes it elastic. That is why a slender monk can possess explosive power that puts a bulky bodybuilder to shame. It's not that he has bigger muscles, it's that he has an internal electrical grid that transmits force without any energy leaks. Basically, he turns his body into a tense bow ready to fire, while the rest of us are walking around with a slack rope. Now that you understand your body is an electrical network and not just meat stuck to bone, let's talk about what actually happens when you turn this practice into a daily habit. Because feeling relief after one session is one thing. Redesigning your anatomy is another. Think about your tendons. Most people have tendons like old rubber bands left out in the sun too long. Stiff, dry, and ready to snap at the first sudden pull. When you start Yi Jin Jing, during the first 3 months, you are putting those cords through an intensive rejuvenation treatment. By applying that constant tension, you force the collagen fibers to reorganize. They stop being a messy plate of spaghetti and align into perfect, resilient rows. You go from having loose strings to having flexible steel cables. That's why advanced practitioners feel like they are walking on springs. And if we go deeper, we reach something that sounds like sci-fi, but is pure biophysics. Your bones. You probably think bone is just dead stone that holds you up. Wrong. Bone is living tissue with a mind-blowing property called piezoelectricity. It sounds complicated, but it's simple. When you apply mechanical pressure to a bone, it generates a small electrical charge. By holding Yi Jin Jing postures, you are gently compressing your skeleton. That pressure generates a microscopic electric spark that screams to your body, "Hey, we need reinforcements here." And your organism responds by sending calcium and minerals right to those zones. It's like you are recharging your bones like a battery. If you have the patience to persevere, you reach what the ancients called marrow washing. You are optimizing the very factory of your blood and immune system. It is a process of reverse engineering. While the rest of the world rusts and shrinks with age, this practice polishes you from the inside. You convince your cells that they are still young and necessary. At this point, the inevitable question is, if this system is so perfect, why doesn't everyone do it? The answer is uncomfortable, because it requires something harder to train than biceps. It requires patience. We live in the era of instant gratification, addicted to the magic pill and results by yesterday. But Yi Jin Jing doesn't care about your rush. It is a method that respects the deep time of biology, not modern anxiety. This method isn't designed for Instagram aesthetics, although you will look better. The true purpose is freedom. The freedom to bend down and tie your shoes at 90 without groaning. The freedom to pick up your grandkids without fear of breaking. The freedom to inhabit a body that doesn't feel like a rusty cage, but like a light, powerful vehicle. The monks knew it is impossible to elevate consciousness if the body is in pain. If the vehicle is broken, the spiritual journey ends quickly. So, here is my challenge to you. Give this ancient technology an honest shot. Don't follow me blindly. Your body doesn't know how to lie. If you give it what it needs, it will respond with a sensation of lightness and vitality you may not have felt in decades. If you are curious about that sponge effect and that internal electricity, you don't have to go all the way to China. I am going to be putting together a full guided routine for you over the next few videos. Make sure to keep an eye out so you don't miss a thing. It's just 15 minutes that can forever change the conversation you have with your own body. And if you want to master the art of biological stillness, make sure to hit subscribe and join us at Pure Zen Space. We are decoding the ancient manual for the modern human, and you won't want to miss what comes next. Try the routine once. And then, let your own sensations tell you the truth. Remember your decree for today. I transform my body from within. Don't settle for less. Amituofo.